What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back to The Grade. Today is day 22 and we are talking about how to use LUTs. A lot of people I have seen think they can just do this. They can just import their footage to that whatever editor they're using. Go here, and apply a LUT. This one, apply a LUT. And then that's it, they're done. But they didn't color space transform, they didn't white balance, they didn't do any of that. So now your LUT kind of looks flat. There's not really much you can do with this image. If I go to the saturation node, up to saturation, you can't really get the right colors out of your image just by doing it like that. The right way to do this is, let me add this, place still, apply the grade, is to have a node tree. What a node tree does, it allows your LUT to be processed the right way. So you have the things you do before your LUT, and then you apply your LUT. Let me turn this one off. And that's how it should work. Before you apply a LUT, you want to have your color space transform, you want to have your balance, exposure, saturation, contrast, white balance, curves, and then your export, and finally you want to apply your LUT. What that does is that allows the LUT to be processed the correct way. If you need to make any changes before the LUT is applied, which I'll show you here, I'll turn the LUT off. These are where you would make these changes. If you feel like, okay, my balance, my exposure is a little high, I need to drop my exposure. If you feel like you need your white balance changed, this is where you change your white balance. You can make it cool, a little warmer. Yes. If you need to change your curves, this is where you do that. And then you apply your LUT. That's how you use your LUT. Thank you guys for tuning in. Tune in for day 23 where we talk about how to actually create your own LUTs. Deuces.